Hello, my name is Ade and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. In this video, I will be teaching you tricks to master cube numbers. Let's start with 1. 1 cube equals 1 times 1 times 1 equals 1. By using this method, we arrive at the answer for the rest of the cube numbers up to 10. 2 cubes equals 8. 3 cubes equals 27. 4 cubes equals 64. 5 cubes equals 125. 6 cubes equals 216. 7 cubes equals 343. 8 cubes equals 512. 9 cubes equals 729. 10 cubes equals 1000. It is important to know the cube numbers of 1 to 10 for you to use these tricks that I'll be teaching. Please don't cram this. I need you to understand the basics. Thank you. Now let's start with the tricks. Let's use these tricks for 12 cube. 12 cube, we start from the right. 2 cube equals 8. 1 cube equals 1. Then the product of the middle part, which is the original number, 12. And don't forget our cube number. So we have 1 times 2 times 3 equals 6. Then we use the 6 to multiply our original number, which is the 12, like this. We start from the left where we have 1. So 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 on the right times 6 equals 12. Therefore, we have 1, 6, 12, 8. Remember, we have 12 in the second right, which is in the middle. So we leave the 2 on the second right and we take 1 over to the second left, which is in the middle as well. So that will give us 6 plus 1 equals 7. Our final answer is 1728. Now let's try 45 using the same trick. Let's start from the right side where we have 5. So 5 cube equals 125. 4 cube equals 64. Then the product of the middle part, which is the original number 45, and remember the cube. So 4 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 3 equals 60. Then we use the 60 to multiply our original number, which is 45, like this. We start again from the left where we have 4. So 4 multiplied by 60 will give us 240. 5 multiplied by 60 will give us 300. Therefore, we have 64, 240, 300, 125. Remember, we have 125 on the right. We keep 5 on the right and take 12 over to the second right, which is in the middle. So we have 300 plus 12 will give us 312. Now we have 312 in the middle right. We keep 2 and we take 31 over to the middle left where we have 240. So we have 240 plus 31. This will give us 271. Now we have 271 in the middle left. So we keep 1 and take 27 over to the first left. So we have 64 plus 27, which equals 91. Our final answer equals 91,125. Now let's try something different. 104 cube. Although this is the 3-digit number, but we still treat it as a 2-digit. We start from the right where we have our 4. So 4 cube equals 64. On the left side, we have 10 cube, which equals 1000. Then the product of the middle part, which is the original number. That will be 10 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3, which equals 120. Then we use the 120 to multiply the original number, which is 104, like this. We start from the left where we have 10. So 10 multiplied by 120 will give us 1,200. Then we go to the right, we multiply the 120 So we have 4 multiplied by 120, which would give us 480. Therefore, we have 1,000, 1,200, 480, and 64. Remember, we have 64 on the right, so we keep 4 on the right and we take 6 over to the second right where we have our 480. So we have 480 plus 6, which equals 486. Now we have 486 in the middle right. So we keep 6 and we take 48 over to the middle left where we have 1,200. So we have 1,200 plus 48. This will give us 1,248. Now we have 248 in the middle left. We keep 8 and we take 124 over to the first left where we have our 1,000. So we had 1,000 plus 124. This will give us 1,124. Therefore, our final answer is 1,124,864. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and leave comments down below. Thank you.